welcome student. This is Professor Mangesh Mohan welcomes you in the next tutorial of CAM and follower design. Let us talk about the introduction of CAM and follower. A CAM is a rotating machine element which gives reciprocating or oscillating motion to another element known as follower. The CAM and follower have a line contact and constitute a higher pair. The cams are usually rotated at uniform speed by a shaft, but the follower motion is predetermined and will be according to the shape of the cam. The cam and follower is one of the simplest as well as one of the most important mechanism found in modern machinery today. The cams are widely used for operating the inlet and exhaust valves of internal combustion engine, automatic attachments of machineries, paper cutting machines, spinning and weaving textile machineries, feed mechanism of automatic lathes, etc. Next, let us talk about the classification of cam and follower. The cams are classified as a radial or disc cam and cylindrical cam, whereas the followers are classified according to the surface in contact, according to the motion of the follower, and according to the path of the motion of the follower. Let us see in detail. So the first classification of follower is according to the surface in contact. So the followers are classified as knife edge follower, roller follower, flat face or mushroom follower, and spherical face followers as shown in figure. The next classification is according to the motion of the follower, and with this classification the followers are classified as reciprocating or translating follower and oscillating or rotary follower. If you can see in this figure, in the first figure the follower is going to have a horizontal motion, that is a reciprocating motion, whereas in the second figure the follower will have a rotation or oscillatory motion. In the third category, followers are classified depending upon how is the path of the motion of the follower, and they are classified as a radial follower and offset follower. The meaning of radial follower is the axis of the follower and the axis of the cam are in line, or the axis is same, whereas in case of offset follower the axis of the follower and the axis of the cam is separated by some distance. Now the next classification of cam is a radial or disc cam and cylindrical cam. So if you can see in the first figure, cylindrical cam is shown and the follower is having the reciprocating motion, whereas in the second figure cylindrical cam is shown where the follower is going to have a oscillatory motion. Radial cams are generally the cams which are circular in nature, the figures for which we had already seen in the earlier section. Thank you.